Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to make an admin login or admin role for the user. So for example, let's access to our admin dashboard. Let me just give admin/dashboard, hit enter. Okay, so you can see that unauthorized, which means it's showing an error called not logged in. So let's log in that guys over here first. So I'm logging as a normal registered user. Let's click on login. Logged in successfully. Let's go to our admin/dashboard. Now you can enter the dashboard. So guys, funda@gmail we have created that. So that is a admin or a user, we don't know. So for that thing, only admin should log into this dashboard. So for that we are going to get started to build that. So we are using for authentication Laravel Sanctum. Okay, so we will use that token to verify. So make sure. So let's get started guys. So first step, let's move to our database. Okay, so on the user table, let's see over here, nothing column created for that roles. So let's create that over here. Click on structure and just add one column after the password or remember token. Create one column called role_as. Okay, and let's keep it integer 11, where default as defined we are going to tell it should be 0. So whenever new user register, it should be 0 and except this null. Okay, and let's click save. Perfect. So you can see that role as integer null, but we have to add a comment where I'll just explain you that. So let's scroll over here. 0 is equal to users and 1 is equal to admin, and if you have more roles, so you can add on with 2. Okay, so let's save. So guys, I have written clearly 1 means admin, 0 means user. Okay, let's save this, and over here you can see this funda@gmail.com is a role as normal user. Admin@gmail.com, let's make it to admin. So let's edit this, add 1. Perfect. So 1 has come over here, and now guys, only the admin@gmail.com should be accessible to this dashboard. Okay, so let's build that code over here. So let's get back to our React app. So whatever the link we are going over here, it's under private route. So private route, that is we have created as admin private route. Let's go there and start with the code. So guys, we need to check this authentication. So when you're checking the authentication, we will check the user is admin or not. So guys, to understand how this code is working from scratch, I have taught in previous video part 6, then only you can continue with part 7, or else it's a waste of time. So guys, now let's start with this. So first let's go to this URL called authentication checking authenticated in our Laravel application. So let's get back to our Laravel app, and here is the code guys, and we are using this middleware to check authenticated. Okay, so with this only I want to create a admin role. So with the help of middleware we will create that. So let's tell is API admin. Okay, so let's create something called API admin middleware. Let me just remove for right now. So until unless we create the middleware, we don't have to apply over there because it will throw an error. So let's create a middleware. PHP artisan make : middleware with the name, where inside your middleware only directly it will create. So let's just type API admin middleware. Okay, hit enter. So middleware created successfully. Let's close this. Go to your middleware where you can find that API admin middleware. Perfect. Start the code over here guys. So first we will check the user is authenticated or not. So just put if condition and else, where you are going to tell auth : check function. You need to import the class, so import the class over here. Perfect. So once you get the response, let's comment this for right now, where in else condition, let's return the response, response response function with the JSON format, JSON format, where you are going to tell the status, which is the 401. That means it's unauthenticated. Okay, so let's copy and paste, and the message, please login first. Okay, save. Once it's authenticated, that time you are going to check the user token. So what token you are going to check? If open and close, else if doesn't exist, you have to show that you are not an admin. Let's remove this. We don't require over here the message which we are going to tell that access denied, as you are not an admin. Okay, where comma 403 error. Save. So over here you need to check authenticated user of the token which you will find. So to find that token, you have to generate that token, right? So what token you are going to find? Go to your Laravel Sanctum, where click on API token ability. So you can see that to generate a token with the role, you can just give this method. So we have not yet done with this, so we will do that. First we will create this token ability. Okay, so $user of token can. So we need to copy this token can, copy and paste in our Laravel middleware, and we'll make this server admin. So whatever the admin role is there, then only he should be accessible. So over here you need to just Control X and paste it. That's it. Save. Perfect, guys. So now let's register this middleware. So go inside app http kernel.php. Let's open that, and this is our route middleware where you are going to create that. Okay, where let's tell what we have created in the api.php in starting. Let's Control Z. Okay, is API admin. Copy this and paste over here, is API admin, and then call the path. So let me just copy from the top, and you can call app http middleware, where API middleware. Let's copy that class name, API middleware, copy and go to your kernel.php and replace with that authenticate. Done, guys. So now it's imported, and this is your middleware created, guys. So let's get back to api.php and paste over here. So now once you access this URL, you will find that you are getting the error message showing 403 access denied as your admin. So guys, now let's test that first. Let's get back, go to your React app, and we are on the console. Let's refresh. So it'll be a okay. So we didn't get any error. Let's see network, checking authentication. Okay, perfect. Let's Control Shift R. Okay, because we let's see what is that code. In the admin middleware we have given server admin. Let's see can token. Let's get back to our database where we have created that personal access token. We have logged in with funda@gmail.com ID, right? So he have the ability to everything. Star means everything. So remove that star and make it to null, guys. So if you give star means all thing he can access. So let's make it null. null means he will be user. So let's create something condition like that. So we'll be doing that. So first let us see the output what comes over here. Let's get back to our console again, refresh. Okay, so guys, you can see that you are getting an error called 403, that is forbidden. Let's go to our network and see the message what we have written over there. Checking authentication, access denied as you are not an admin. Okay, so you cannot load the dashboard also. So now guys, we have successfully created that logic of the admin role. Now let's write the code to redirect back and show the error correctly and create a role for this. So once you log in with that, so first step guys, we will log out. Let's go back. Let's clear everything network. Let's click to log out. Okay, so it's showing an error 403 because it's obviously you're not an admin, so we need to remove that first. Let's go back. Let's remove this first and then log out. Refresh. Now log out guys. Okay, so logged out successfully. Now you can paste back your middleware because it was checking for that. So let's paste that, save, and yep guys, so first we are going to create the logic of login. So once you click on login and login with your data, that time you should update the token with the admin role. Okay, so for that let's get back to our React app, go to your login page. So where is that login component, where front end, inside front end auth login.js. Cool. So over here you're sending the code and you're going to this API/login. Okay, so this URL you're going, okay, API login, where let's go back to our Laravel application, and this is the login code guys. Over here auth controller, so let's go to this auth controller, move it, let's move to a login function. So yep, we are on the login function over here, and the token which we are creating after login is this. Okay, so let's write the logic. So first step guys, write a if condition. If it's correct means else normal token. Okay, so let's push this up, and we want to generate the normal user as null. Okay, so just keep over here null, that's it. So if you are getting doubt, just you can need to copy from here. So just copy this thing. Okay, server update. Let's get back. If the user, so whoever logs in, this $user, copy, and the column which we have created in our user model. So just now we have created, let's go back to our user table, where you'll find the role as role_as. Let's type that role_as is double equal to 1. So 1 means admin, /1 is equal to admin, and else we are going to make 0 only. If you have another role called vendor or manager, employee, so that time you can start creating 2, 3, many more. Okay, so this is a custom logic guys. And now let's generate the token. Let's copy that token, just copy and paste it. Perfect. So instead of a server update, we are going to make it to admin. So this logic only you have created at your admin middleware. Okay, so over here just you need to do it like this. So the token name which we want to create the same as our normal token, because we want to keep a unique token name, so you can keep admin token, that's it. So one simple difference, let's make that, save guys, and now we are going to log in and see that the role is given to this as admin. Okay, let's get back. So we have logged out, our personal access token table will be empty, and the role over here, so role for funda@gmail.com is 0, so that is means user, admin@gmail.com, role is 1. So this will be admin. So guys, now let's do that. admin@gmail.com, password 12345678. Let's click to login. Logged in. Okay, still pending. It's showing 500. Undefined variable token. Let's get back to a Laravel. Oops, we didn't copy. So let's copy this. Your role is admin, right? So we need to store that in one variable called token and then send that. Okay. So we did not store that. So it was throwing an error. Let's get back. Let's refresh, guys. Let's log in once again. 12345678. Login. Perfect. So logged in successfully. Okay. And let's move to our /admin/dashboard. You will be able to access your dashboard perfectly. Cool, guys. So we have seen that how to create a admin login or login role into our ReactJS Laravel. Okay. So let's see that personal access token. Okay. So this is the second one, guys, because the first was throw an error and this is the second one. So server admin, we have logged in with this. Perfect. So now let's try once again with the admin and the user also. So both thing we are going to try. Let's get back. Let's log out. Logged out, and our personal access token for both will get empty. Let's click to login. Login. First we will log in as a user. funda@gmail.com 78 and click login. It's loading. Logged in successfully. Okay. Let's go to /admin/dashboard. So going loading, and it throws an error called 403 forbidden. So now, guys, when a user tries to access this dashboard, we don't want to stay on this page. Okay, so he should be redirected to home page or 403 or 404 error. Okay, so guys, let's build that also. So first you need to go to your private route of this. Let's go back, and the route for admin you are calling over here, and this is going to our admin private route, and inside this only you are going to write the code called AXIOS Interceptor. So let's type that, guys. AXIOS.interceptor dot your response dot use function. Create a function first. So function of your response. So first function, this will be a response where open and close curly brace, and inside this just return that. So let's return your response if you have anything. So we are not going to work with this, so let's just return that empty, and let me just divide this, give comma, and create a function of errors. Okay, so error, open and close bracket, and inside this error only you are going to define your 403 and 404 type of errors. So let's give if condition else, not else, we don't require else, just if exist means it should show, or else ignore it. So error dot response dot your status triple equal to 403. So this 403 is nothing but the output which you get over here. Okay, so shown over here, right? 403 forbidden. Let's copy that and paste it. So 403, which gives called access denied. Okay, and let's show the message with the help of sweet alert, where you will tell forbidden with the error. Let's copy this, data dot message comma, where single quote you are going to show warning. And after this, after showing this message, I want to go back to home page. So let's use history dot push function where just go on home page if you're not an admin. So if you're using history, make sure added this. Okay, include in your React router DOM. Let's get back. And yep guys, so if you have 404 error also, like you're getting right over here, what happened? Okay, so you're getting 403, right? So if you get 404 error, so for that also you can just add on over here. So let's copy this, write else and paste. Cool. So just add 404 and over here page not found. Cool. So after showing this, you're going to show the same thing, and here you can type the message as 404 error, and you can give the custom message because we don't know that what message comes over here. So you can just set it your custom message like URL or page not found. This will also be a warning, and instead of redirecting to home page, let's redirect it to called 403. So page 403, page 404. Okay, so like that we'll redirect. After this, if everything goes wrong, you just need to promise reject. So return promise dot reject function. Let's copy the error which you have passed in your function. Save. All set guys. So now you can see, let's refresh. Okay, now it's redirected. Access denied as you are not an admin, not not, it's an. Let's get back to our admin middleware. You can send the type the message AN. Okay, perfect. So let's admin/dashboard. Once again, I have logged in as a normal user, where you can find access denied as you are not an admin. Okay, so guys, we have the URL is wrong, so let's change that URL 403 and let's make it to 404. Save. And now guys, let's create this inside your resource app. Let's create a public route for this. So just create a simple route, open and close, where the path name is equal to, you will tell 403, and the component is equal to, as simple guys, we will create page 403, copy and paste, and this will be a page 404, and this also will be a 404. So inside your resource folder, let's create a errors folder. Okay, so folder with the name errors. Okay, so this will be a errors, and inside this create a page 403.js file and a simple file with the 404 also. So page 404.js set. So guys, now you need to write a simple code React, where create a function page 403 close curly brace, where export default the page 403 close, and return function where you're going to tell, let's use a container. So div open and close, class name is equal to one simple container, class name is equal to row, justify content center, where class name is equal to column MD6, class name is equal to card and card body. Okay, and inside this h1 you are going to page 403, where you will tell what is the error, guys. You can see as 403, which means forbidden. Okay, spelling mistake. Copy this, forbidden, and tell 403 forbidden. 3 access denied, as you are not an admin. Okay, so whatever message you want. So let's copy this and so paste in 404 also. Just change this 404, change the page name to 404, page not found. Okay, remove and tell URL or page you are searching not found. Save. And now guys, let's see the output. Let's get back to our admin/dashboard. Okay, so we are facing error page, okay, not defined. Let's get back. We have used this, right? So we need to import that. So let's import it. Import page 403 from the path components slash your errors slash your page 403. So same we copy and paste and just make it to page 404. Save. All set. Let's refresh once again. You can see loading. Perfect. So access denied, as you are not an admin. You can see that page 403 forbidden, access denied, you are not an admin. So guys, you need to just design this page for 403. And yep guys, so let's log in as admin and check the output. So let's get back, log out. Okay, so you're not able to log out with this also. So you just need to write a separate code for this. If you're normal user, then you have to log out with that. So just get back to your Laravel app inside your api.php. Let's copy the same code and paste it over here. So let's remove this. Let's remove this also and remove the logout button from your isAdmin. Okay, so everything will be same as it was, only for the admin we are going to check the authentication, and if you are not an admin, so that will be a separate route and this will be a separate route. So whoever logs in, he should be able to log out. Let's refresh. Let's click to log out. Perfect, logged out successfully. Okay, refresh and let's log in as a admin. Admin at gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's click login. Okay, logged in successfully, and you can go back to your admin/dashboard and cool. So we have successfully logged in, guys. So we have completed how to create a roles in admin dashboard in ReactJS Laravel. So guys, in this video, that's it. We have successfully completed our task in this tutorial, and let's see in next video how to redirect the user or admin in its specific role. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.